Welcome back to Chilltalk English. I'm Henry, and I'm here with Emma.
Hi everyone, I'm Emma, and I'm very awake today. Henry is also here.
Wow, thank you. I feel seen.
Today is going to be fun because we're doing a travel story and we'll practice speaking together.
Yes, and I promise this is beginner-friendly. If you can say passport and coffee, you can do this lesson.
Two very important words for travel.
In this episode, we will practice with shadowing.
Shadowing is a simple speaking exercise. You listen and you copy the speaker.
You copy the pronunciation, the rhythm, and the melody of the sentence.
It's like karaoke, but with English and no singing stress.
We'll do it in 3 steps.
Step 1, listen and read.
Today, I'm taking you with me to the airport.
And not just any airport trip. This is Henry's first big solo trip in a long time.
Yes, and my confidence is, how can I say it, small but trying.
Small but trying is still trying. That's our motto today.
My flight is at 3:30 p.m., so I wake up early. Not because I'm a responsible adult.
Because you're nervous.
Exactly. When I'm nervous, I become a check-everything person. First, I check my documents, passport, boarding pass, and my hotel address.
Quick vocabulary. Documents are important papers you need.
Right, and I put my passport in a safe pocket in my backpack.
Not the easy-to-lose pocket.
Not the I will regret this later pocket. I already checked in online last night, so I have a digital boarding pass on my phone.
A boarding pass is your ticket to get on the plane.
I still take a screenshot because I don't trust airport Wi-Fi.
Smart. Airports have many people. The Wi-Fi can be slow.
Then I pack my suitcase. This trip is special. I'm going to Seoul for the first time.
Seoul, South Korea. Very cool.
I'm excited, but also scared, like happy scared.
That is a real feeling.
I pack simple things, shirts, jeans, socks, and a light jacket.
Comfortable clothes are best for travel.
I also pack a small gift for my friend who lives there.
That's sweet. What is it?
A tiny keychain from my city. Nothing expensive, just meaningful. I have 2 bags, one big suitcase and one carry-on backpack.
Carry-on means the bag you take with you onto the plane.
In my carry-on, I put the essentials, phone charger, earbuds, gum, and a small notebook.
And snacks. Please tell me you packed snacks.
Yes, I packed crackers and 2 chocolate bars. I am a prepared person.
You are a prepared snack person. That's the best kind.
Then comes the big moment. I step on my bathroom scale with the suitcase.
He's measuring the weight.
Yes, my airline has a weight limit, and I don't want an airport surprise.
An airport surprise is never a good surprise.
The suitcase is under the limit. I feel like I just won a small prize. I leave my apartment and take the airport train. The station is busy.
Lots of people, lots of bags, lots of fast walking.
Everyone looks like they know exactly where to go.
And Henry?
I look like a person who is pretending to know. On the train, I review my plan.
Simple plan. Get to the airport, find the right terminal, check in, go through security, find the gate.
Yes, but in my head, it sounds like a video game mission.
Mission: survive the airport.
I arrive at the airport, and I stop for a second. The building is huge.
Airports can feel like small cities.
I see big signs. I look for my airline name. I follow the arrows.
Follow the arrows. Great life advice.
First, I find the departures screen. I look for my flight number.
The departure screen shows flights that are leaving.
My flight is on time. That makes my shoulders relax.
Good. On time is a beautiful phrase.
Next, check-in and bag drop. I already checked in online, but I need to drop my suitcase.
Bag drop is where you give the big suitcase to the airline.
I find the line. It's long, but it's moving.
Moving is good. A line that doesn't move is painful.
While I wait, I practice a polite sentence in my head.
What sentence?
Hi, here's my passport. I'm checking one bag.
Perfect. Simple and clear.
Finally, it's my turn. The staff member smiles and says hello.
Kind staff members make travel easier.
I give my passport and show my boarding pass on my phone.
Then she puts your suitcase on the scale.
Yes, and I watch the numbers like it's a movie.
Very dramatic.
The wait is fine. I quietly celebrate inside. She prints a baggage tag and attaches it to my suitcase.
A baggage tag is the little paper tag with your flight details.
She also asks, window or aisle?
Window seat is next to the window. Aisle seat is next to the walkway.
I choose aisle because I like to stretch my legs.
Honest choice.
Then she says, gate will be announced soon. Have a nice flight.
And you say,
Thank you. And I try to sound calm. Next is security. This is the part where I always feel a little silly.
because you have to do the special airport dance. Pockets empty, jacket off, belt off.
Exactly. I take out my laptop, I put my liquids bag in the tray.
Vocabulary note, tray is the plastic box you put your things in.
I walk through the scanner, and I try not to look suspicious.
You always look suspicious, Henry.
That's not encouraging. A security officer points at my bag. My heart jumps.
Uh-oh.
He takes out my water bottle.
The one you forgot?
Yes, I forgot I filled it at home.
Classic mistake.
He says, "You can't take this through."
And you say,
Oh, I'm sorry. And I feel like a child who broke a rule.
it happens. It's normal.
After that, I pass security. I put my shoes back on and breathe again.
Good job. Security is done. Now you are in the departure area.
Yes, and I feel hungry.
Of course you do. Travel makes you hungry even if you just ate.
I check the screens again and finally see my gate number. It's C7.
Great. Now you just need to find gate C7.
Just. Airports love that word. I follow signs for C gates. It's a long walk.
That walk is like a free workout.
I pass shops, cafes, and people sleeping on chairs.
Airport chairs are not comfortable, but people still sleep. Travel is powerful.
I stop at a cafe and order a coffee.
Good moment for a simple travel phrase.
I say, "Hi, can I have an iced coffee, please?"
Great, clear and polite.
The cashier asks, small or large?
Two easy words, small, large.
I say, small, please, because I don't want to run to the bathroom 5 times.
Practical.
With my coffee, I walk to my gate and sit down.
Now you wait.
Waiting is easy, but my brain is loud.
What is your brain saying?
What if I'm at the wrong gate? What if my passport disappears? What if I forget English?
You can't forget English. You are literally an English host.
My brain doesn't care about facts. I listen to an announcement. Then I hear the magic words, "Boarding will begin soon."
Boarding means people start getting on the plane.
People stand up immediately, even though boarding is not starting yet.
This is airport culture. Everyone stands early.
They call groups. I'm in group 3.
So you wait for group 1 and 2.
Yes, and I try to stand calmly, like a calm person.
Are you calm?
I am acting calm. That's close. When they call my group, I scan my boarding pass and walk down the long hallway to the plane.
The hallway is called the jet bridge.
It feels like walking into a big metal bird.
That is a strange but accurate description.
A flight attendant greets me and says hello.
Flight attendant is the person who helps passengers on the plane.
I find my seat, 14C, aisle seat. I put my backpack under the seat in front of me.
And your bigger carry-on?
I don't have a roller bag, just my backpack.
Nice and simple.
I sit down and buckle my seatbelt.
Seatbelt keeps you safe in your seat.
The person next to me is already sleeping.
Wow, fast sleeper.
I respect it. The plane starts moving slowly.
That is called taxiing.
Yes, taxiing to the runway. Then the engines get louder.
And then takeoff.
We speed up and suddenly we're in the air. My stomach feels funny for a second.
That feeling is normal.
I look out the window across the aisle and see clouds. Soft, white, endless clouds.
After takeoff, the captain speaks on the speaker.
The captain is the pilot.
He tells us our flight time. It's a long flight, so I plan my survival.
Survival plan. Drink water, eat snacks, sleep, and stretch.
Exactly. A flight attendant comes with drinks.
What do you choose?
Water first, then later tomato juice, because airplane tomato juice feels special.
That is a very specific travel opinion.
I am a simple man with strange habits. I watch a movie, then I read my notebook.
What are you writing?
I'm writing small phrases I might need in Seoul.
Like what?
Excuse me? Where is the subway? And sorry, I'm lost.
That last one is very you.
It's realistic. Hours later, the lights change and people start waking up.
That means you're getting closer.
The captain says we will land soon. I put my seatbelt on again.
Good. Always follow safety rules.
I feel tired, but excited. My first time in Seoul. We land smoothly. The wheels touch the ground, and the plane slows down.
And then everyone stands up too early again.
Yes, even though the seatbelt sign is still on.
Please don't do that, everyone.
We wait, we stand when it's allowed, and we walk off the plane. Inside the airport, I follow signs for immigration.
Immigration is where they check your passport when you enter a country.
The line is long, but it moves. The officer checks my passport and asks a simple question. Why are you here?
What do you say?
Tourism. I'm visiting a friend.
Great. Short and clear.
Then I go to baggage claim.
Baggage claim is where you pick up your suitcase.
I wait by the carousel. That moving belt feels like a game. Will my bag appear?
And does it?
Yes, it finally shows up. I grab it, and I feel relief in my whole body.
That relief is real.
I walk out into the arrivals area. I see my friend waving.
A happy ending.
I wave back, and I think, I did it.
You
did it! And you used English the whole time in your head, and maybe a little in real life, too.
Mostly in my head, but still, progress.
That was step 1. Listen and read. Now step 2.
Step 2. Listen and repeat. I will say a short sentence, then you repeat it out loud.
Speak clearly. Take your time. Ready?
Today, I'm going to the airport for my first trip to Seoul.
Now you repeat.
I woke up early because I wanted extra time.
Now you repeat.
I checked my passport and my boarding pass.
Now you repeat.
I packed clothes, a charger, and snacks in my carry-on.
Now you repeat.
At the airport, I dropped my suitcase at bag drop.
Now you repeat.
The staff asked me, window or aisle? I chose aisle.
Now you repeat.
At security, I took off my jacket and emptied my pockets.
Now you repeat.
I forgot my water bottle, so they threw it away.
Now you repeat.
I checked the screen and found my gate, C7.
Now you repeat.
I bought an iced coffee and waited near the gate.
Now you repeat.
When boarding started, I scanned my boarding pass and got on the plane.
Now you repeat.
I put my bag under the seat and buckled my seatbelt.
Now you repeat.
After takeoff, I drank water and watched a movie.
Now you repeat.
We landed safely and I followed signs to immigration.
Now you repeat.
I picked up my suitcase at baggage claim.
Now you repeat.
Finally, I met my friend in the arrivals area.
Now you repeat.
Great job. Now, step 3, shadowing.
This time, try to speak at the same time as Henry. Don't worry if it's hard. Just do your best.
Copy my rhythm, copy my pronunciation. Ready? Let's go. Today, I'm heading to the airport because I'm flying to Seoul for the first time. I woke up early, checked my passport, and saved a screenshot of my boarding pass. I packed my suitcase and kept my carry-on simple. Charger, earbuds, gum, and snacks. At the airport, I found the departure screen, saw my flight was on time, and joined the line for bag drop. The staff tagged my suitcase and asked if I wanted a window or aisle seat. After that, I went through security, took out my laptop, and emptied my pockets. I even made a classic mistake and forgot my water bottle, but it was okay. Then I checked the screens again, found my gate, and waited until boarding started. On the plane, I buckled my seatbelt, took a deep breath, and felt excited. After takeoff, I drank water, watched a movie, and rested. When we landed, I followed signs to immigration, answered a simple question, and picked up my suitcase at baggage claim. Finally, I walked into the arrivals area and saw my friend waving at me.
That was really nice. And you survived the airport mission.
Barely, but yes.
Let's review key airport words you heard today.
Passport, boarding pass, carry-on, bag drop, security, gate, boarding, flight attendant, seatbelt, immigration, baggage claim, arrivals.
And some useful phrases.
Can I have an iced coffee, please?
Small or large?
Window or aisle?
Why are you here?
Tourism. I'm visiting a friend.
If you want the best results, do this shadowing practice again.
Try it one more time today and one time tomorrow.
Your speaking will sound smoother.
And your confidence will grow, slowly but surely.
Like Henry's.
Hey, it's growing. It's just shy.
Thanks for listening to Chilltalk English.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone!